Today on Travel Addicts Life, we're going to be discussing a potential COVID-19 vaccine.
That's great news. Stay tuned. So, today is day 16 of the reopening Italy, and it's Tuesday, May the 19th.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So some interesting news in the newspapers yesterday.
Yeah, so came out, New York Times and CNBC reported that a biotech company called Moderna, one out of 100 plus companies that have been testing COVID-19 vaccines, has some pretty encouraging results.
Exactly, it's really shocking. They did testing with 2 doses, separate 28 days apart, so first dose and then 20 days after a second dose. And they saw that in the people that did the testing, 45 people have been tested, seems that the amount of antibodies is similar or higher than the people that actually contracted the virus.
And doctors and scientists think that if you have the antibodies, you may be immune to COVID-19.
So that would be very encouraging news. Means that this vaccine could be the actual prevention.
Could be the answer.
Could be the answer, exactly.
And I should know that I was reading that this particular company has had success with other similar vaccines in the past.
Yeah.
It's just they didn't need them because the diseases just kind of like went away. So anyway,
yeah, this is very good news. If this vaccine is going to be actually as effective as they think, everybody can get vaccinated and the COVID-19 will be just history.
Exactly, early next year. So they're doing phase 2 right away, starting it right away. And assuming that's successful, they're going to start phase 3 in July. Mm-hmm. And if that's successful, they can have people being vaccinated in early 2021.
Well, I guess they're going to start with doctors and nurses and people actually more exposed to the virus and then vaccinate the entire population.
I have a feeling the U.S. government is going to push this. They're going to make this go as fast as humanly possible.
I think you're right.
Definitely.
Well, that's very encouraging news on the vaccine story. Hopefully that's going to be a success. What do you think? Leave a comment below and we'd love to hear from you.
So yesterday, we also reported that the restaurants and retail and all of that kind of stuff was opening up. What a shocking difference a day makes.
Yes, we went for a little walk back to the mall.
Hello everyone, we are the Grand Emilia Mall here in Moderna, Italy, and all the stores are finally reopened.
Yes.
And then we went downtown Modena, and actually almost everything was open. It was really nice to see.
Yeah, parking lots full. Lineups everywhere for people wanting to get in, because now the stores, they can only have a certain amount of people in them. Like the small stores, you could only have like 1 or 2 people. Larger stores, like a few more.
Yeah. And everybody has to wear masks and gloves to go in the store. The gloves, they provide you the glove for enter the store.
It's practically just a bag that goes over your hand.
Well, it's okay. It's better than nothing.
That's better than nothing. It's better than staying at home, that's for sure.
So we went to the mall. A few coffee shops were closed, but there's a couple open as well. Restaurants in the mall are still closed. I think they're still doing sanitation.
Yeah, I was surprised about that. Maybe they have to comply with certain things in order to reopen.
Just a Monday, they're probably going to open on the weekend. Maybe nobody goes to the restaurant in the mall on Monday. I don't know.
I don't know. That's an interesting thing. We'll have to see.
But downtown, most of the coffee shops are open. The one that had tables outside, they were spread out the tables 1 meter apart.
And it didn't look weird. No. There's a lot of talk about how restaurants are afraid that, with the current new rules about social distancing, they're not going to be able to be profitable. Well, from what we saw, it didn't look...
No, they look pretty busy.
Yeah, and the tables didn't look too separated. No, they looked fine.
Well, especially the one that had table outside. Those are the one that had...
Right.
Yeah.
Right. The ones inside is going to be a different story.
Yeah, exactly. Then we went to some stores. Everything was open.
Yeah.
Only the museum was not open. They were supposed to be open, was not. I don't know, maybe they were not ready, or I don't know.
I was really tempted to have a gelato yesterday, but I'm still on my diet, as you all know. And I was like, somebody might judge me. So I skipped the gelato for today.
On the weekend.
Yeah, we'll see on the weekend.
Exactly. So then, yeah, that was our day yesterday. It was quite nice to be able to do something normal, even though we had to wear masks and gloves, but it felt normal, which really good.
Yes, it was definitely a nice feeling to be able to go out without the certificate in our back pocket.
Exactly, that was the key.
I'm going to have a certificate burning day. We had like 100 of them in the car, like seriously, because you needed one to go to the supermarket, one to go to the parents' house, one to go to the doctor, one to go to the dentist, one for all of them, and they kept changing. So we probably have like 100 of them in the car. Like, it's crazy. I'm going to make a burning ceremony.
Drama queen much. Anyways, as you guys know, we are on the race to 10,000. So if you like what you see and if you want to be notified as soon as a new video comes out,
hit the subscribe button. Absolutely.
Exactly. So you never miss a show.
Exactly. So new cases, guys. 451 new cases. Only just.
That's a new law. I mean, we haven't seen something like that since early March, end of February, early March.
Exactly, that's incredible.
It's incredible number.
So.
And the recovery rate is spiking. People.
127,326 recoveries.
Yeah, I know. It's shocking. And for the first time, the number of deaths was below 100. It was 99.
Mm.
Yeah.
How nice.
99.
How nice.
Which is still high, but getting much, much better. So seems that your what's called ski slope / cliff.
No, we didn't have a cliff, but a ski slope is very good. It's a very good ski slope.
Exactly. So, and it's continuing going down. That's the important part.
Germany got the cliff, but that's okay. That's okay. You know, it's okay. I'm happy with this.
Yeah.
So there you go. Tomorrow we have an interesting show for you.
Exactly. Tomorrow's going to be a very good show.
We're interviewing Curtis Slade. He is a Clé d'Or concierge, a luxury concierge in Vancouver, and he's going to be talking to us tomorrow about the future of luxury travel.
Yeah.
In Vancouver.
Worldwide too.
Perhaps worldwide.
He has a good perspective of what the travel industry is going through, and he's going to tell us his point of view. So stay tuned for that.
Great.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Take care, guys.
Bye.